Satnam. Our state of mind and our rate of breathing are inseparable. And this is why breath is such a fundamental tool in Kundalini Yoga to adjust the chemistry of your body and direct the prana towards the inner peace, towards where the divine rests. The trillions of cells are dancing throughout our bodies as the sweet air is cleansing the inner rivers and lifting us up, so that we can relate to our soul's purpose and live joyfully in the chaos of the changing reality. I'm Surya Sivjot Kaur, and I want to guide you through a very quick 1-minute pranayama that will fill you with radiance. So please join me by clasping the hands in front of the heart. The right fingers are pointing up. We will breathe powerfully through puckered lips on 3 strokes as we squeeze the hands together 3 times. Exhalation is out on 1 count through the nostrils. So it looks like this. So let's practice all together, coming into any posture where the spine is tall, chin slightly under, eyes looking out through the third eye center. Close the eyes and let's begin. Take a deep, full breath in. Hold it in. Close your root lock, the muscles in the perineum, so that you can seal the energy and allow it to flow up, up, up towards the crown of the head. Hold it preciously. Inner silence, witnessing your experience of unraveling the inner universe. Exhale gently, softly. Release the hands down. Feeling in, sensing in. Enjoy the awakened energy.